In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to obtain your Confluence API token using Atlassian. Whether you're looking to integrate Confluence with other tools or automate tasks, having an API token is essential. So, let's get started and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to the Atlassian website. Open your preferred web browser and go to atlassian.com. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to log in. Make sure you have your username and password handy to access your account. Logging in is important because only authenticated users can generate an API token. Now that you're logged in, you need to locate your profile icon, which is situated at the top right corner of the page. Click on this icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the Profile option. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Once you're on your profile page, the next thing you need to do is click on the Security tab. It's typically found among the menu options available on the left-hand side of your screen. By accessing the Security section, we're getting closer to where the API tokens are managed. Within the Security section, you'll see an option labeled Create and Manage API Tokens. Go ahead and click on this. It will lead you to a dedicated page for API tokens where you can not only create new tokens, but also manage existing ones if you have any. On the API tokens page, look out for a button that says Create API Token. Clicking this button initiates the token creation process. Now, you'll be prompted to name your API token. It's a good practice to give it a descriptive name to identify its usage easily later on. For instance, if it's meant for a specific integration, name it accordingly. After naming your token, the next action is to click the Create button. Once you do this, your API token will be generated. It's crucial to copy this token immediately and store it securely, as it will be needed for any configuration where the token is required. Bear in mind that this token acts as a password, granting access to your data and must be handled with care. And that's it. You've successfully created a Confluence API token using Atlassian. With this token, you're now ready to connect Confluence to your desired applications or automate your workflows with ease. If you ever need to revoke an API token, simply return to the API tokens page and manage your tokens from there. By following these steps, you'll be equipped to handle your Confluence API needs efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on making the most of your digital tools.